welcome back to my garage. I am going to cut right to the chase on this one. This is a follow-up video to my previous one about the Forgestar custom M14 wheels and Toyo R888R tires that I bought for my C6 Corvette Z06. I think I made a lot of you mad because in that previous video I didn't show what they actually looked like on the car. Sorry about that, but I got a reason. See, it was raining the day that I had the tires mounted on the wheels, and it continued to rain for a few days after that, so I couldn't give you a really good visual of what they look like on the car. Plus, with those Toyo R888R tires, I really wanted to avoid driving in the rain if I could help it. Last thing I want to do is put the car into the wall right after I get new wheels and tires on it. I also don't think that the teaser at the beginning of this video helped at all, but I couldn't help it. Alright, enough stalling. Here they are, and I think they're awesome. Okay, so now that you've seen the wheels in their entirety, I gotta tell you, I couldn't be happier with them. But I want to tell you a couple of things. First of all, the sizes and the offsets are in the description. So if you want to replicate what I did, by all means, use that information. The other thing I did is, before I even mounted the wheels and tires, the tires on the wheels, one of the things I did was I gave a good coating of armor shield around the gloss black lip. And I've driven this car over 100 miles, and that was 100 miles of having some fun. And there's not a speck of dust on those. So armor shield does the trick. See my other videos. I've been having just excellent luck with using armor shield on the entire car. Another thing that I did was I didn't like the silver TPMS sensor post. It would have looked really weird on a black wheel, black tire, black center car. So I came up with a little trick on how to quickly and easily and cheaply, but temporarily, change the color of silver TPMS sensor stems. Check this out. Here's a quick tip I have for you if you're ran into the situation that I did. Black tires, obviously black wheels, but then that silver valve stem right there from the TPMS. I ran down to my local hardware store and picked up some of this. Some 3/4 to 3/8 heat shrink tubing. Cut a length of it just to the height right there. Hit it with the heat gun, and it ended up looking like this. Just like that. And then I got rid of this ugly valve cap. Got something a little cooler that matches. And there you go. It's not perfect, but it's pretty darn close, and from a distance, it doesn't stick out like it used to, and it cost you about $5. Thanks to Deviate Motoring, the sizes and the offsets are perfect. They fill the fender just right, but they don't stick out too far. They look aggressive, but not stupid. The only problem I'm going to have is here on the front, because the offsets push the outer edge of the lip out further to fill that fender perfectly. However, as you can see, there's going to be a lot of dirt and rocks thrown up on the side of the car. Wide body Corvettes have this problem, so I'm going to have to find a splash guard solution, and I'm going to do another video in the future about that. So what do you think? And what's a guy to do who's got new wheels and tires on his Corvette? He's going to go to Cars and Coffee. That's exactly what I did. A lot of people want to know what the Toyo R888R tires sound like in terms of road noise. I really don't think they're that bad. In fact, at high speed, it almost sounds kind of like a blower whine to me. Here's an example of what they sound like, and then some quick clips from Cars and Coffee in Franklin, Tennessee. that was a good time. The car got a lot of attention with the new wheels and tires on it, plus I got to see some really other cool cars as well. I love these wheels. They're different, affordable, yet high quality, and just mean looking. The tires, incredible grip, and they look great as well. Once again, special thanks to my friends at Deviate Motoring for helping me get the right sizes and offsets of these wheels, and of course getting them ordered with Forgestar and getting them shipped to me. Top-notch service, front to back, very competitive prices. You can't go wrong with them. So, what do you guys think? I want to know your thoughts as well as your input on what I should do next on the Corvette. Leave your comments. I appreciate everybody's feedback. And if you like this video and want to see more of what I do, which is product reviews and how-tos and all that, do yourself a favor, subscribe, like, and of course share it out to anybody else who also might find it interesting. As always, thanks for hanging out with me in my garage, and I'll see you in the next video.